6-foot standard handbrake. We begin by taking a look at a sheet metal shop 6-foot standard brake. The first step is to always read the owner's manual and all warning signs posted on and around the machine. Number 1, always keep guards in place. 2, never place hands or fingers around or near bending leaf. 3, machine must be properly anchored to prevent tipping or falling during use. 4, wear proper hand and eye protection when bending metal. 5, do not use this machine for other than its intended purpose or over its specified capacity. 6, failure to comply may result in personal injury or damage to the machine. The yellow handle lifts up the nose bar so that the sheet metal may be placed under the nose bar for bending. The handles are located on both sides of the brake for easier access. Using the counterweight and counterweight rod, we can bend our piece of sheet metal. You may want to use the bend leaf handle. This can allow you to add more pressure. The small knob is for adjusting your creeping top leaf. This is what adjusts your nose bar for the thicknesses of your sheet metal that you are bending. There is a knob on both sides of the brake. This allows adjustments to be done on both sides of the machine. Stop rod assembly allows you to adjust the brake so overbending will not occur. This rod can be set at all angles listed on the brake. This will allow the person to be more consistent in bending the same angle over and over. Adjusting for thickness of the metal you are using, you must also adjust the height of the nose bar by adjusting these two nuts either up for thicker metals or down for thinner metals. Laying out metal to brake. Make sure you have the correct metal you need for your job. Then, lay out your metal with your tape measure and scribe. Making sure to mark your metal with very good identifying marks. So when placed in the brake, you can see these marks easily. When you are ready to bend your material, lift the nose bar high enough to slide your material under it. Align your marks with the nose bar. To the right of the machine, you will find a degree gauge. This allows you to bend your metal from 0 degrees up to 140 degrees. The first example, we are bending a piece of metal to a 45-degree angle. Second, we bend to a 90-degree angle following the same precautions and procedures. The third example, we are going to make a hem. Lining up our marks on the nose bar, we fold the sheet of metal all the way over as far as the brake will allow. Usually, it is over 130 degrees. Now we can prepare to create the hem by opening up the nose bar as wide as possible and placing the already folded metal back into the brake. As we close the brake, we can see it folds the metal on over, creating the hem on the metal. In this example, we see a 45-degree angle. Using a speed square, we can show what a 90-degree angle looks like. On this hem, we can see how we have folded the metal over onto itself, creating a rounded edge and ready for installing.